Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. First of all, we need to open device manager. For that you need to press Windows key from your keyboard and then type here device manager and then hit enter. So it will open a new window. So you need to, for example, we are not using our mouse to fix this issue. We are just only using our keyboard. So you can just press tab, again press down key, keep going down. Now press right key to expand this, again go down, and here we need to hit enter to open its properties. Then again press tab button and then press right key to go to the driver tab, and this time press tab button to enter the from driver details and go down. Again press tab and hit enter on the update driver, and then select the first option. The base driver will be installed. Now press Alt F4 to close this, and now again hit enter, then go to the go to the general tab, press right key and go to the power management and press tab key and hit enter. Okay, my bad, I just want to fix this. Okay, now press space key to uncheck this option and then click on OK and close this window. Now restart your system. Now I will show you how to do this. Again, just go to search bar, type device manager, go to expand these, right click on it, select properties, go to power management, uncheck this option, go to drivers tab and update the drivers. Once done, just restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.